Uh, good afternoon, sir. I am Srishail Vaigon. I had completed my BBA graduation from Karnataka University, Dharwad. After graduation, I started my banking career with ICICI Bank as a junior officer. After 3 years, I was promoted to assistant there. After successfully completing 4 years in ICICI Bank, I joined South Indian Bank as a MSME sales manager. I moved to branch banking department. Now, recently, I am promoted from assistant manager to manager. Presently, I am working as a branch manager at Shivamogga branch, Karnataka.
Okay, so you are having a total experience of, I think, how many years?
Around 8 years, sir. In this month, I will complete
Around 8 years.
8 years.
So you are having
Yes, sir.
a multi-experience and a large experience
Well,
of
sir.
banking
Yeah,
industry.
yeah.
Even though you want
Um,
to switch your career from ICICI Bank, the biggest, I think, one of the largest private bank to SBI. May I know the reason of this switchover?
Sir, that the reason is I wanted to go in my career that South Indian Bank has given me a good opportunity to build my career as a scale on officer. I was getting compared to ICICI Bank. I'm getting good salary in South Indian Bank. That's why I plan to switch.
Okay. So how your this vast experience will help to SBI in terms of business and customer service?
Sir, I have around 8 years of experience in different verticals and different departments. Like I have handled MSME sales, I have handled MSME department, and I have worked in branch banking department in all desks like clearing, cash officer, gold loan officer, and credit desk. So I believe that my experience, my experience in this bank and uh, leadership qualities, handling customers, handling staffs can help.
Okay, suppose one a high value check came to you for passing. So what are the measures you are going to take before authorizing or passing this high value check?
Sir, first I will check the signature, whether signature is matching with our Finacle. And second, if a high value check is there, then I will call immediately contact customer to that registered number is mentioned in our records, and I confirm whether that customer is only talking with
Suppose you
us.
have called the customer and he is at the point of time is not receiving the call. Will you be
Yes, sir.
going to decline the check?
I will keep it. It is. I feel it is better to keep aside for some time. Means we should. I will send him the message in WhatsApp and normal message mentioning that I am trying to contact you. Please call back after when you will available. Like that, I will mention, sir. And I feel it is
Okay, so
better
what
to
are the
keep.
steps? What are the steps you follow before disbursement of any loan?
Sir, means assessment you are talking, sir. When we will get file that assessment means eligibility checking you are talking, sir.
Prior
Are
to
we talking about
disbursement,
the means after
prior to
sanctioning the
disbursement, what you will follow?
sir
Being a
means
branch manager, you are not a recommending officer or sourcing officer. Being a branch manager, you are going to, disburse the loan. So what are the measures you will check in the file particularly?
So when we'll take file in the hand, we'll check first check the eligibility whether customer is have the capacity to repay that loan. Will check all parameter like some financial ratios we have, or that
So the
current
eligibility of the
ratio.
borrower, you are going to check, or the recommending or sourcing officer or the staff has to check?
Staff, that credit officer has to check, sir.
So what is your role being as a branch manager? Because you are going to disburse the loan. You are having the authority to disburse. You are the final authority of disbursing the loan. So what would be your role?
Sir, I will check whether this file is meeting all our bank's criteria, that eligibility criteria, whether credit officer has already checked or not. I will verify, sir. And
Mhm. Okay. So when and how you recommend a account or a case as fraud to your controlling office?
so when we feel that account is having some irregular transactions, immediately we'll report that to our suspect department as suspected money mule. And
No, no. Suppose
that
I'm your borrower and I'm your personal loan borrower, and I'm unable to pay the EMI or the installment or the interest for next 6 months. So will you are going to declare me or my account as fraud or not?
if you sir, if the borrower is not paying a loan amount after 90 days, that account becomes NPA now, sir.
No, no, no. I'm not paying for next 6 months. So which
Intentional.
case you recommend your controller as fraud? This is what I wanted to know. Okay, right. Okay, tell me one thing, that cross-selling is very much important in banking nowadays. So what are the parameters you would have not achieved till the time, and what are the reasons why you could not have it achieved, like life product or general insurance product or mutual fund or credit card? Why you would have not achieved, and why this cross-selling is important?
Sir, nowadays in banking, cross selling is very important, sir, because we have to grow our bank and branch. We have to achieve our allotted business targets. So, cross selling nowadays, actually in branch daily we try to cross sell the products. In that, we have in that, as you said, we have not met the um, we have not achieved the health insurance targets. The reason behind is customer, if they want to pay some insurance, some amount, like if they want to pay some premiums, they expect some returns. In health insurance,
Mhm.
it can't be done, sir. They will not get any returns if something happens to them. On that time only they will get some medical assistance. So that's why,
Okay, being a
um,
branch manager, when you will start the processing of SURFACI?
so when that loan account becomes NPA,
Mhm.
on that time we
So if
that
any loan
SERFACI
become
is
NPA,
one
if
method.
any loan become NPA, SURFACI action can be initiated by a branch manager having the incumbency of a skill 2 or 3.
It can be done by scale one officer also, sir.
So SURFACI action can be initiated by a skill 1 officer. Are you confirmed?
Yes, sir.
Means on 13/2 notice you can sign.
That can be signed by branch manager.
Are you confirmed? 13/2 a branch manager can sign.
Uh, so actually, recently I am promoted, so that's why I have a doubt on
So
this.
I think never have you initiated any SURFACI action,
No, sir.
isn't it?
Actually, still, yes, sir. Yes.
Right. Okay. Thank you. So now it's time to feedback, right? So